Hello and welcome to this video solution of Numerade. An open box is made by cutting equal squares from each corner of a L-inch square piece of cardboard and then folding the sides, right? Now you have to find the length of the sides of this square that must be cut if the volume of this square to be maximized, right? And what is the maximum volume you have to tell. Now let's say the side length of the square that needs to be cut to be x inch, right? Side x inch, right? That means the length of each side of the resulting box will have L minus 2x inch, right? Is a side, right, of the box, right? Side box will be